Do you want to introduce yourself in English confidently? Today, you'll learn an easy introduction for beginners that works anywhere: school, job, interview, or meeting someone new. Stay with us for 60 seconds, and you'll be able to introduce yourself in clear, simple English.
Imagine this. Someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," and you smile and speak perfect, simple English. Let's make that happen today.
What if introducing yourself became the easiest part of English? Welcome back to Speak English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. Today we'll teach you how to introduce yourself in clear, simple English.
Last month, a student named Ravi told me something interesting. He knows hundreds of English words, but when someone said, "Please introduce yourself," he froze.
Exactly. His mind went blank, right? And that happens to so many beginners.
But when we gave him a simple structure, he introduced himself smoothly in less than 20 seconds.
So today, we'll teach you the same structure.
By the end of this video, you'll know 1. What to say, 2. How to say it, 3. A perfect 4-step introduction you can copy anywhere.
And trust me, you'll sound more confident than 70% of English learners.
All right, let's start. When you introduce yourself, you can follow 4 simple steps. Let's do step 1 and step 2. Step 1, greeting. Say a simple greeting. Hello? Hi, nice to meet you. Good morning. Step 2, your name. Then add your name. My name is Rohan. I'm Rohan. You can call me Rohan. Think fast. How would you say your name in English? Say it right now.
All right, now step 3 and step 4. These make your introduction sound complete. You know? Step 3, basic details. Keep it simple. For example, I'm from India. I'm a student. I live in Mumbai. Choose 1 or 2, not more. Simple is powerful. Step 4, extra line, optional. This makes you sound confident and friendly. I love meeting new people. I'm improving my English. I enjoy learning new skills. Don't say, I enjoy sleeping. Even if it's true, keep it professional, or at least friendly.
Example 1. Meeting a new friend. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Delhi. I like music. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Example 2, in a classroom. Hello, my name is Rahul. I'm a student. I'm learning English. Welcome, Rahul.
Example 3 in a job interview. Good morning, my name is Priya. I'm from Pune. I have 1 year of computer experience.
Great, Priya, thank you. Imagine you're meeting us for the first time. How would you introduce yourself?
Repeat after us. Say this with me. Hi, my name is Emma.
Now try. I'm from Delhi.
Last one. I enjoy watching movies.
Mini quiz. Question 1. What is the first step in a self-introduction?
Question 2. Should your introduction be long or short?
Short. Always short.
Quick story. Last week, Liam introduced himself to a new student, but forgot to say his name.
Okay. That was one time. I said everything except, I'm Liam.
The student called him Sir for the rest of the day.
Honestly, I didn't mind.
Let's break the grammar down simply. My name is... This is the most standard, correct, and polite form. Do not say, myself, Rohan. That's incorrect. I'm, short form of I am. Perfect for natural English. Order of introduction, greeting, name, detail, extra line. This keeps your English clear and easy to understand.
And guess what? Native speakers also use this same structure.
If you're learning something today, hit like.
And subscribe for simple English every day.
Let's quickly review the 4 steps to introduce yourself in English. 1. Greeting. 2. Name. 3. Basic detail. 4. Extra line.
Here are 2 more complete examples you can use today. Example A. Hi, I'm Neha. I'm from Bangalore. I love reading. Example B. Hello, my name is Arjun. I'm a student. I enjoy learning English.
Now that you can introduce yourself confidently, the next step is using natural English in daily conversations.
So watch this video next. 50 common English phrases for daily conversation. It will help you speak faster, smoother, and more naturally.
Click it now and continue your English journey.